Electric and induction cooktops cleaning and care. Now that you have a high-quality Wolf cooktop in your kitchen, you're going to want to keep it looking great. Here we're going to show you some important cleaning tips. Before using for the first time, be sure to clean the top surface thoroughly. For best results, apply 1 teaspoon of non-abrasive cleaner to the surface of the ceramic or glass with a lightly dampened, clean cloth. Use a second clean cloth to remove any remaining residue. It's important to always wipe the cooktop surface with a dry cloth to eliminate any remaining moisture. The cooktop should be cleaned after each use. You'll know it's safe to clean each element area when the corresponding residual heat indicator light has gone out. Here are some tips to remember when using your cooktop. Don't use the cooktop as a cutting board. Never slide rough bottom cookware across the surface. Remove any resulting marks immediately using a non-abrasive cleaner. If anything melts on the hot surface, remove it immediately with a razor blade after the surface cools. Do not place food directly on the cooktop surface when it is warm or hot. Do not operate the unit if the surface is cracked. If this occurs, contact a Wolf Factory Authorized Service Center technician. Do not place a trivet, walk support ring, or other metal stand directly onto the cooktop surface. Do not apply chlorine bleach, ammonia, or other strong chemicals or cleaners on the cooktop surface. Do not wipe the cooktop surface with a sponge or dishcloth, for it may leave a discoloring film from the detergent. Just follow these rules and your cooktop will provide many years of happy use.